So ako manipag-transition. Ano to? Happy Sabado. Happy Saturday. Good Saturday. No, Good Friday. Happy Saturday. Morning. Car parked. Gonna pack this shoe. Actually, hindi na siya. It's not really a gym shoe. It's just my regular running shoe. Thank you, Nanay. And of course, my sleeveless pang gym. But, I'm already wearing my shorts for gym. My phone. So, nag-change atong mind, guys. Bulky kaya akong bag. So, I'm just gonna wear the shoes na. My running shoes. Hindi mo lighting. Paano ba talagang andito si Satanas? Char. Madagay kay itong natadaan. Ingat! Kaya ingat. Ingat kaya palibutan. Let's go. I think magpalot ko, guys. I think I'm gonna depende if hindi traffic going downtown. Kasi if it is, I think I would have to try another day. But if it's not, so I think I can. I hope you can hear me, no? Kaya grabe dyan siya, ha? Init, gimax na ko, blow sa aircon. Don't worry, panawag lang ko, guys. Then straight lane lang siya. Thank you. Of course, we don't expect that people would reciprocate our kindness, our goodness, but it doesn't mean that you don't have to be polite anymore. Amen. Amen. Oh my God, no to naman ni.
Sa terminal, noon ako na
So hello everyone. Hi. So wala na ako naka-film or naka-video after the haircut, no. But here it is. Right, pareha naman. It's just the same. No, it's not the same. Mas nipis na siya. And as a igangon person, that's a lot already. Asian hair kay ko, so baga din patindo. Thank you, the shave bar. So before ko ni larga na, nagbuy ko og sourdough bread. Yeah. I don't know, trending man kasi siya. And then trending siya sa TikTok. Karon then of course, asa pa man magbuy kundi sa Kate's. Lami daw ilang mga breads dito. So wala po ko try. So this is my first sourdough. I'll share with you guys kung say lasa or say ako experience with it. And of course, my favorite snack, popcorn from Taters. Actually, akong favorite yun is kana sa SM Cinema na popcorn. But tungod kita kaya pila every day karon tungod sa mga blockbuster films like Spider-Man, Odyssey. Di ko kabay. So, Taters it is. Kani, Manuel Crew Bar, This is maple sina oat from Manuel Crew. So they're from Gensan. So every time na moari sila sa Cagayan or moanhi sila sa Cagayan kay gabay jud ko because never gid ko ma-disappoint. I really try na mag-order of different coffees or different tea or any drink from them every time they're here para maka-try ko sa tanan nila drinks. So this is my first time to try maple sina oat. And yeah, lamig kayo siya. Na maple, then cinnamon, then they use oat side na milk. Sorry, dili ko familiar with the mga milk brands karon. So that's it. Pauli na ko. I'm going home. So yeah, ubanta or dili na lang kay mag-drive ko basi mambash pa ko sa tao nag-drive video lagi ka nag-drive. Char lang. So I'll see you at home na lang. Bye. And we're saan ko man yung pag-transition? Psst, ano to? Hi guys, we're home. So we're going to try out the sourdough by Kate's Bakery. Ang plastic ang dismutan. Very wrong. This one. I'm very surprised na how fluffy siya. It's very light. And yes, it's wheat bread, very cute. See, it's very light. It's good. Para sa ani. Take 2. Para sa ani. So I don't know if what would be the next topic sa ako ang vlog, but I'm very excited to take you with me guys wherever I go. Sorry for the noise, I'm already at home so dagan kay mga random stuff kakahitabo, but yeah, so I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.